Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today I'm just showing you around our showroom briefly in Boxborough. I want to thank you all for coming out to our open house kind of cars and coffee style event we had over the weekend. And I'm just showing you around the showroom quickly because this is the setup we organized it into for the event. So obviously it's not the most efficient use of space, as you know, I arranged these so we can walk through them and check out all the awesome different bikes we have. So obviously this will be going back to a more efficient use of space. So I just wanted to show you kind of what it looked like for the weekend over the event. For the event, of course, this Ducati 851 Superbike. Really a beautiful machine. Made sure to have that out so you could take a look at it. And don't worry if you missed the event over the weekend. Just stay tuned because I'm sure we'll be having another one soon. So you'll hear all about that via our website and social media. But really an awesome layout. We're very happy with it, showcasing all these bikes. So we've had different Urals in this section with some Royal Enfields thrown in. So really, no matter where you go, no matter where you walk down our showroom, we've got hand-selected automobiles lined up in front of the bay doors, and of course, our hand-selected motorcycles as well. And check this out, Royal Enfield stock. We take the cardboard off, so you know, you can check them out in the showroom, see all the different colors we have, and it's just kind of a cool way to show them while also storing them before they get built. So we can see these are the cardboard. That's usually what they look like when they get here. And we have Oldsmobile 88 up on the lift with a BMW Z4 underneath. Very clean car, low mileage, that's coming soon to the website. And then these bikes lined up in front of, in front of the row of bikes. These were outside, so there was even more room in here and a more clean appearance of all these awesome bikes lined up. We will have different videos coming out shortly on the event over the weekend. So like I said, don't be sad you missed it, because you'll almost get to relive it from home. We've got multiple videos coming shortly on some different things that went on during the event. So thank you for watching this quick little video, just showing you around our Boxborough showroom before it goes back to a more kind of compact layout so we can fit more bikes in here. But this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. Please give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future events and motoring content.